Doctors are humans too. We do experience feelings, failures, and emotions. Taking care of our mental health is essential to carry on. I needed an easy and accessible tool to help me. Mindfulness was one of them, and I made a short video about it, link in the description. Another one I found was journaling. I started this habit of writing small ideas almost daily. And here are the reasons in this video why I think it can also help you. For those of you who don't know me, welcome back to my channel. I am a medical resident who likes to share the ways that help me as a person and as a doctor. Reason number one, a journal can be an experience or memory keeper. Like in the medical records, they say, not written means not done. Of course, this is a bit different, but whatever your job is, I'm sure you had some strong moments. They can be positive or negative ones, and we are the result of these experiences. And with time, the memory fades, but your journal can keep these memories alive. Imagine years later, when you reread your writings, you can relive these sweet moments. And what's interesting, you can see how your point of view of certain matters changed and evolved through time. Reason number two, it clears your mind. Do you ever experience this feeling of irritation where you want to say something but don't know exactly what? This happens because we're not trained to label and describe our feelings and emotions. We can be feeling jealous and simply say that we don't feel so great. Journaling will help you label correctly your own emotions and feelings, because you're gonna write the story and the sequence of events that led to this emotion. And by the end of the story, your feelings will be clearer to yourself, helping you deal with them in a healthier way instead of burying them. Reason number three, overcoming anxiety. Anxiety can hit us all. No one is immune of it. Before it really grows and incapacitates us, writing can help controlling this anxiety a bit. Journaling helped me zoom out a bit of the daily little struggles I have at the hospital. And this is not only my personal opinion. Many expert psychologists advise doing it. When we write about our own fears and anxiety, somehow we can become our own mini therapist. Reason number four, connection to your dreams and passions. Sometimes when we are caught up in our daily job and routine, we tend to forget our own dreams and passions. And this can create a gloomy mood. We exist because of our passions. If you're too busy to do them right now, the least you can do is to write about this next Euro trip you want to have, or the skydiving session you want to take, or whatever, something that really excites you. But don't let it die. Reason number five, helps fighting perfectionism. I personally ruminate. Not physically, but mental rumination, especially if there's something I did that wasn't really perfect, which is always the case. I can spend a whole day regretting something I did or I said. And the annoying part is this little voice in my head that doesn't go away.
You should have done this, you should have said that, you should have done this, you should have said that.
Interestingly, the voice shuts up once I start writing about this regret. And I feel a partial relief, probably because when I start writing, things will be clear. Either it will become obvious to me that what I did was fine and inevitable, or the next step will be revealed. For example, I should go and apologize to that person. I want to add this bonus benefit because I think it's useful. If you're someone interested in languages like myself, sometimes I like to write in a different tongue. At first it might be a bit awkward, but with time the learning curve is really amazing. You can put in use the language you're trying to practice and learn. If you're curious about why I learned a fourth language during my medical training, there's a link in the description. I made a video about this. Thank you so much for watching till the end. It really means a lot. I'm getting some positive feedback about the videos I'm making. It is really encouraging. Happy writing and see you next time.